Now, so today we're learning how to turn a fraction into a percent and a percent into a fraction. Okay? So right here I have a fraction. Step 1 is to put it in the calculator. 2 divided by 5 in the calculator equals 0.4. The second step is to take did y'all get 0.4 when you type in the calculator? Remember, 2 divided by 5 is the same as 2 divided by 5. So when you put it in the calculator, you get 0.4. And the second step is to multiply what you got times 100. Now when you did that in your calculator, 0.4 times 100 is 40. Now I'm not done by putting 40 because it wants my answer as a
percent.
So I put a percent sign at the end. Now the second one I do the same way. I type 1 divided by 2 in my calculator and that gives me 0.5. Second step, Brianna, is to multiply times 100. And 0.5 times 100 is 50. So I turn the fraction 1/2 into a percent, which is 50%. So on each of these, I turned a fraction into a decimal, then into a percent. Fraction, decimal, percent. Okay? So that's how you turn a fraction into a what? Percent. Now, the second thing that they want us to do today is take a percent, like what's up here, 20%, and I have to turn 20% into a what?
Fraction.
It says a fraction in simplest form. Okay? So the first step we talked about is to take the number without the percent, 20 is without a percent, and put it over 100. Now the next step is to simplify. Okay? We know when you have 2 zeros on the end, they can cancel. So you have 2 over 10, and 2 over 10 reduces to what?
1/5.
1 over 5. So I just turned the percentage 20% into a fraction, 1 over 5. So let's try the second one. 85%. I put 85 over 100. Now I have to simplify. 5 will go into both. Now let me ask you this. If you leave it like this, is it correct?
No.
No. So I have to divide the top by 5 and the bottom by 5. Someone raise your hand and tell me what 85 divided by 5 is.
17.
17. And tell me what 100 divided by 5 is. Stephen? 20. So I just turned the percentage 85% into a fraction by first putting it over 100 and then simplifying. So we learned how to make a fraction into a percent and a percent into a